Did you know that America once had a city bigger than London, and then it just vanished? Meet Cahokia, a massive Native American city that thrived near what's now St. Louis over 1,000 years ago. Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about this lost metropolis. First, Monk's Mound, their giant earthen pyramid, had a bigger base than Egypt's Great Pyramid. Imagine building that without machines. Second, at its peak around 1050 AD, Cahokia housed 20,000 people. That's more than London had at the same time. Third, this wasn't just big, it was smart. They had planned neighborhoods, grand plazas, and a complex government system. Fourth, Cahokia was a trade powerhouse. Goods flowed in from across North America, seashells from the Gulf, copper from the Great Lakes, and exotic stones from the Rockies. But here's the biggest mystery, fact number 5. Within just 200 years, every single person abandoned this thriving city. 20,000 residents, gone. Archaeologists still can't explain why they left this incredible civilization behind. What could make an entire city just disappear?